have your voice fixed on that thing this time? 1 minute out of the whole tape that you can understand. Hang on, I need my face for one.
Did you go this way? Did you go this way?
Yeah, I did.
I got this
You're not taping or beating me up, are you?
here. Yeah. Why did you jump forward this? Here.
Well, I was wanting to want it.
Well, I can.
It
Okay.
says 1 to 44A. I don't know if 1 to 44A is. I never did see it.
Look like the spider.
That's it. Yeah. I bet y'all don't like pizza, do you?
Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh, we'll get along good then.
I got it.
We like pizza so much.
I could only eat that.
Hey, are you going to eat this? Alright, let me have it.
What's this? Mommy, my dad!
You're all done?
Yeah, sure, I'm done. I'm done.
Oh, yeah? You want it down? Huh?
Can I show you a wrap?
You want it all the way down, huh? You want your bib off?
Right, she's in the bucket.
Oh.
She likes to sit on your lap when she's home.
So I'll just show you I don't, Mom. Now Mama got my fork.
I'm sorry.
Basket cake. We don't really have to be on camera while we're eating it.
No, I don't guess so.
Cream soda. Let me see before you spill it. Ah, good stuff. We're turning that on. We get over here too close.
Might spill it. Michael, can she have one more sip?
Think she needs one?
Yeah. Might spill it.
Yeah, let her have one.
That one?
Hi there.
Ah, yeah.
If you want to know my name, just ask Richie. Richie, what's my name? See there? It's not Mike or it's not Michael. It's Michael Driver.
Well, can't have any more. See? Michael Guire, she spilled it all over me.
Oh no. You didn't do that, did you?
She did. She goes, ah! I spilled it. I spilled it. She spilled it.
Alright.
Let me shut the door.
You should have took that tape with you that I made.
What thing?
You know?
You never said nothing about it. Or would it?
You know what you should do? Send it back to me and then I'll give you the rest of it. And that way you can have our whole visit together.
You ain't had it all on tape. You ain't had our whole video on tape.
Well, some of it won't get on tape. I only have so many tapes.
Before you trying to leave the door off. I can imagine how silly you felt making this tape before, because I feel silly sitting here now knowing that things running.
I don't. Well, try and act natural.
Like a little punching bag?
I pitched.
With us, when we get married, he's going to have just as much say in what happens with you as I do, so you better...
Yeah, you hear that, little sonny boy?
Like that.
What, Richie Smith?
I stopped. No, Mommy, no.
I know it's not that
Like
funny.
Guire.
What, Richie Smith?
Okay, that's enough, Rich.
Stop it, stop it.
tape. I got 2 more batteries. So it's gonna stop in a minute.
No. No.
Do me. Okay.
Yeah, do brother.
Me.
1.5 more hours till we have to go to the airport. Quit.
Sissy, you singing, okay?
No.
You know it?
No.
You don't? Did you know Superman wore leotards? He did.
Get your
You want
phone
these on?
star and put it in your
Okay.
pocket. Never
Where
let it
ketchup
fade
goes in the front?
away.
Yeah.
Never let it fade away.
Okay, next foot, please. Superman wore these. You want me to help you? What are you going to do? You taking them back off? You're not? You could have fooled me. Sure looks like it. You're just having a terrible time there, kiddo.